Hi guys, welcome to season 3 of Wedwell's Desi Wedding Tales podcast. My name is Misbah.
And I'm Alicia Rahu. Today we have three very prominent members from Pakistan's wedding industry.
We have two of the most celebrated makeup artists in Pakistan. One of them is Umair Waqar, whose canvas is of models, celebrities, and I mean, no one does it better than him.
Next, we have Sara Ali from Sara Salon and Spa. After seeing an immense amount of success in Karachi, she has now expanded her beauty empire to Lahore. And she has also launched a beauty line by the name of Sak.
And finally, we have Hassan Niazi of Afrinish by Niazi. Niazi's is a Karachi institution built on decades of quality craftsmanship. They specialize in the finest hand-embroidered saris, shawls, and jackets.
So now that you guys have met all our guests, let's jump right in.
Our first question is for Umair Waqar and Sara Ali. How much do you think a bridal makeup artist should listen to their client versus doing what they feel might work best for her?
One should listen to the client mostly and then tell them what you would like to do for them. Like for example, when a bride comes in, I do ask her that what are her likes, her dislikes, how she does her own makeup, does she want to look lighter or she wants to carry her own skin tone, because as a makeup artist I do not judge my bride, because to each its own. One should be comfortable. If a person wears dark lip colors in daily life or light ones, so I ask her preferences, and I do ask her a very main question, which is that what does she do.
Okay,
That depends on how she does her daily makeup.
makes sense.
तो and also age क्या है, क्या मेकअप करती हैं, नहीं करती, किस तरह के मेकअप में कंफर्टेबल होती हैं, और व्हाट लुक डज शी हैव इन माइंड. यूजुअली ब्राइड्स अपने साथ पिक्चर्स लेकर आती हैं, रेफरेंस पिक्चर्स. कभी मेरा काम होता है, कभी उमैर वकार का भी काम होता है, कभी किसी और मेकअप आर्टिस्ट का काम होता है. तो उसको देख के देन इफ़ आई डोंट अग्री विद हर, सो आई ट्राई टू कन्विंस हर कि ये हटा देते हैं. यूजली लिप्स ही होते हैं
100%.
जो कि मैं कभी कभी कन्विंस कर रही होती हूँ कि गो फॉर अ डार्कर लिप और गो फॉर अ लाइटर लिप, एंड देन इफ़ वी कम to terms with it and we both agree, then we move forward. And if we both do not agree, I do what she says.
And I feel like lip color or something like that makes a huge difference in your makeup.
It does.
So what do you think, Umair? What's your take on this?
So how I work with my clients is कि जैसी client मेरे पास आती है, मैं सबसे पहले सवाल पूछता हूँ, how much do you trust me? So most of my clients that I get, mashallah, I'm blessed in a way that they say कि Umair, just do whatever you want.
Oh, I love that.
So 10% ऐसी होती हैं जो रेफरेंसेस लेकर आती हैं अपने बालों के, मेकअप के, लिपस्टिक के, आई मेकअप के. सो मैं सिर्फ एक बार बोलता हूँ, मैं कहता हूँ लिसन, आई डोंट थिंक दिस विल लुक नाइस ऑन यू, एंड देन आई आस्क देम, आई एम लाइक व्हाट डू यू थिंक डजंट लुक गुड ऑन यू. सो देयर लाइक काजल मैंने कभी नहीं लगाया, लाइक काजल डजंट सूट मी, और wing liner doesn't suit me. I try and do what they say that doesn't suit them.
Makes sense.
Just to tell them that if it's done right, everything can suit your face.
Oh, that's amazing.
That's
And
how-
what if it
that's
like
how-
what if it like
No, so I mean,
doesn't-
obviously, I see the face and I'm like, okay, do they have the right idea of
So you
how
judge
they're-
every bride like in a particular way कि ये इन पे suit करेगा, and it's more like individuality. Like how you
Judge.
curate your looks and everything. So it's like individuality that comes in
so
the middle.
like I don't do the I don't copy and paste the
That's
same
amazing.
style of makeup.
I think that's
so
what
I'm just
brides
like I see
want.
the features and everything, and that's how I work.
हाँ, मोस्टली यही होता है कि जब आप ब्राइड को कन्विंस कर रहे होते हैं, 90% ऑफ द टाइम द ब्राइड्स डू गेट कन्विंस्ड, और वो मान जाती हैं
ठीक
कि
है.
जो लोग आपको
और 10% क्या करते हैं?
10% को फिर आप अगर नहीं कन्विंस कर सकते तो एट द एंड ऑफ द डे ये नहीं कर सकते कि आप ब्राइड को अपनी मर्जी से तैयार कर दें और फिर वो
100%. And then
शीशे में
they're not gonna be happy
एंड
with
मेकअप इज
The-
समथिंग दैट यू कांट रियली गो बैक. एक दफा काजल मैंने लगा दिया तो आई हैव टू रिमूव द एंटायर मेकअप.
100%.
And-
for brides, I feel like it's such a big risk on their
Yeah.
wedding
Yeah, and
day.
she has to be happy.
Yeah.
So I
Happy.
can't just force कि मैं यही करूँगी और मुझे लगता है ये सही लगेगा, because मैं खुद एक ऐसी इंडिविजुअल हूँ कि अगर तुम मुझे कहोगे कि सारा नो आई थिंक दिस वुड सूट यू, आई वुड नॉट बी कंफर्टेबल. आई वुड डू व्हाट आई लाइक.
I like,
सो आई
100%.
वुड स्टिक टू हर, और समझ आ जाता है कि कौन बहुत पर्टिकुलर है, तो उस पर आप नहीं एक्सपेरिमेंट कर सकते. शी वोंट बी हैप्पी, सो आई
Okay.
डू व्हाट शी सेज.
Okay, that's amazing. Let's get to our next question.
Our next question is for Hassan. Okay, so Hassan, lots of families like to go shopping together for their weddings. Families like mother-in-laws, husbands, everybody likes to kind of band together. They all have opinions ke bride ko kaise lagna chahiye on their wedding day. So who do you think, whose opinion carries the most weight? Is it like the mother-in-law, the mother, the sister, the friend? Like in your experience, what do you feel like?
So I think when a bride comes to shop, it's usually a full committee, as you just said. It's never just a bride by her own, right? There will always be a mother, a sister, sometimes the mother-in-law, maybe a friend as well. But usually it's her closest crew, right? And they're the advisors for a bride usually to try and guide her in her choice of what she wants to wear. So usually the mother and the sister play the most pivotal role in trying to get this decision made. And usually you always see that if a sister is very close, they have a very strong opinion about something. So the bride will usually tend towards the sister or the mother. The groom and the mother-in-law, it's very infrequent
They come
that
second.
you would see them. Yeah, they're
Does
second
any
tier, I would
groom
say.
care,
you know?
to be honest? Do
Yeah.
they even care?
It's not about you.
I don't think it's really about the groom. It's
Yeah.
usually the bride, the mother, and the sisters who really play that sort of key role in
100%.
getting that decision done.
Just it
100%.
made it. If my sister says this does not look good on you, and if I feel like I look fantastic, I will change in a second.
Right,
that,
exactly.
That opinion
That comes
matters
with
the most to me.
100%,
So I would
100%.
definitely.
But I feel
agree
like
with you there.
husbands, they don't really care. I mean, if their brides look nice and great, like मुझे याद है मेरी शादी में तो मैंने बस अतिक का नाम लिखवा लिया था and he was happy about it. So
We get
I
so
think-
many brides, like while doing the makeup, they ask कि मैं अपनी बहन को बुला के दिखा दूँ
हाँ.
या मैं अपनी
But
अम्मी
that's
को-
such a
I would
sweet
be one
thing.
of
Yeah.
them brides.
So
I'd be
एक second सारा मैं बुला के जरा check
So
करा
does
दूँ.
it like come between your work and your craftsmanship, or you just like it कि opinion आ रहा है तो हम उसको follow कर
नहीं
रहे
नहीं,
हैं?
I don't mind because some girls are so, they depend completely on their sisters and their mothers for opinion.
100%.
और बाद में फिर आपका काम ही बढ़ता है कि मॉम आके अगर कह रही है नहीं
They
आपने ये सही नहीं किया, आप इसको चेंज करते, तो it adds more time to my work and I can't just say no. So I would rather take opinions.
rather-
एक आध दफा मैं कहती हूँ हाँ देखो अब बुला लो,
हाँ
कि
अब
अब
करने
दिखा दो,
फाइन
अब थोड़ा सा चेंज अब हो सकता है, लिपस्टिक लगाने से पहले बुला लिया ताकि मुझे ज्यादा चेंज भी ना करना पड़े और एक ओपिनियन अगर
इंटरमिशन
चाहिए
में आ जाओ
Yeah.
देखो
And you know, to
वगैरह.
add to your point, because our society, it's so culturally family oriented.
Yeah.
So it's usually a person's circle of trust, right? So and being a bride is a big occasion, right? And hopefully it's the only time you'll be a bride, right?
Yeah.
So getting all those
Hopefully.
hopefully we hope
एक
so.
शादी खुश है.
हाँ ये
शादी
एक
अच्छी
एक
है.
कर ली बस यही चला लो. But like usually having those opinions really makes that decision making very secure, and having a security of your decision is very important.
100%.
If you're doubting things, like I'm sure with your makeup artist as well as Umair and Sarah both said, it's a big it's based on trust.
True,
Right?
100%.
So you must trust the designer, you must trust the makeup artist, the jewelry designer, whoever it is, your
creative
stylist, whoever
team,
you're,
yeah.
to
You work
kind of get to that decision, because it does take a lot of time to come up to it.
And as like Pakistanis, I think I have a daughter, so I'm already imagining her wedding. You know, she's pretty.
She's 3
Yeah.
years
I go
old.
to weddings और दुख सकती होती है मैं रो रही हूँ. ठीक है तो like as a mom, I already have hopes and dreams for her wedding, so I'm
Right.
gonna be that annoying mom जो lipstick check कर रही है, जो बाल check कर
And
रही है.
I'm
But
gonna
she
be
wants to
that best
involved.
friend who tells
Yeah.
you to please calm down.
I'm not calming down. So I think just with, especially being so family oriented, like adding on to your point, we just have this like your daddy's like planning your wedding, your dada's planning
Yeah.
everything. There's like
Yeah,
there's-
we get brides जो कि कहती है मैंने अपनी नानी को वीडियो कॉल की, मेरी नानी कह रही है तुमने रेड लिपस्टिक क्यों नहीं लगाई, तो वो नानी का भी ओपिनियन मैटर
Matter
कर रहा है.
करता
और
है.
अगर मैं समझाऊं भी कि देखिए योर नानी इज फ्रॉम एन एरा जहाँ पर ब्राइड के साथ लाल लिपस्टिक जो है वो एक एसोसिएशन थी.
लाल
अब-
जोड़ा और लाल
लाल
लिपस्टिक.
जोड़ा और लाल लिपस्टिक, तो
लाल
उनको नहीं समझ आएगी तुम्हारी
मतलब मैं
nude
यही कह रही
lipstick.
हूँ ना, मेरी शादी के टाइम पे जब मैं अपनी डिजाइनर के पास गई, मैंने कहा ये नॉर्मल दुपट्टा सही है. जैसे मेरी मेमन अम्मी आई, ये क्या है, कढ़ाई
भरा
कहाँ
हुआ,
है,
हाँ.
भरो इसको. तो जब पापा के पास बिल गया, पापा ने कहा बेटा, मैं कहा आपकी बीवी ने किया. मैंने तो कुछ नहीं किया, मैं तो लाइट हार्टेड वाली बंदी थी, मुझे तो नॉर्मल ही करना था.
Yeah.
सो आई फील लाइक कि अपना ओपिनियन होता
Everyone
है.
has dreams for
Everyone
their
has their
daughters.
own
That's
dreams.
so
Like
true.
we dream of our weddings since we were like what babies, like 4-year, 5-year-old तैयार हो रहे हैं और ये सारी चीजें हो रही हैं, and you thinking about your daughter's wedding, and she's just 3 years old. So I think it comes with a lot of
And usually,
hopes and
usually
everything.
brides, like long before there's even the
The
topic
guide,
of marriage,
yeah.
there's always a reference saved from maybe 10 years ago that this is what I want to look like, right? So I think for every woman, this day is like
It's a
so
big day,
important.
yeah.
It's such a big day that they've really planned out, some of them, even their events, all their outfits, the brand that they want to shop from. Everything is already kind of done from before.
सब हुआ हुआ था. So उमेर, आपको क्या लगता है जब एक ब्राइड आपके पास पहले आ रही होती है तो उसको क्या क्या चीज़ों के बारे में सोचना चाहिए for her makeup look?
I think hydration is very important. Another thing people don't realize is कि brides आती हैं मेरे पास, सुबह 11 बजे का अपॉइंटमेंट होता है, like 12 बजे 1 बजे and then they just walk in with this attitude like "Ugh, you know I was up till 7 in the morning, it was my mehndi and this, it's not my problem. It's not my problem. Just come with a good attitude. If you
Yeah,
want
because
to
that makes a
party
huge
till
difference.
7 in the morning and you know that's going to happen, which is like a given, right? You have an event, you know you'll be up till late, keep a gap day
100%.
or just you sleep early, let other people enjoy.
ना करे party.
Don't come with an attitude like कि मुझे नींद आ रही है ये वो, please no. चिड़चिड़े ना हो मेरे सामने.
But
ऐसा
शादी
कभी
से-
हुआ है कि कोई ब्राइड सो जाती है और मेकअप
No,
हो
so
जाता
I do that a lot when I'm doing eye makeup.
Get a soja.
I take my sweet time when I'm doing eye makeup.
Okay.
So I'm like, you know, if you want to nap, this is your time. You have like
फिर नहीं
20
कर सकते।
minutes to like 20 minutes तो मुझे लगते हैं सारा तो 20 मिनट में पूरी ब्राइड रेडी कर देती है मेरा आई मेकअप 20 मिनट में होता है
I'm
ठीक है
quicker than Umair,
हाँ।
for sure.
so
Umair takes like ages.
I'm like this is your chance to sleep, you have 20 minutes to
फिर नहीं
nap.
सो सकती
उसके बाद कैसे सोएंगे because there's like
whole
under eye
day,
concealer
yeah.
and like lipstick and you
100% very
constantly
important.
want them
Yeah.
to look up and down तो वो नहीं होता
अच्छा कभी होता है एक ब्राइड कहती है जो आपको जो समझ आए आप करें और फिर जब आप करते हैं एंड देन लाइक ये चेंजेस करने चाहिए
अच्छा नहीं अब वो
यू डोंट टेक सच ब्राइड्स
no I'll tell you the thing is कि whatever I'm doing on the client like अगर मैंने फर्ज करो एक आई शेडो लगाया है so I'll ask them like
ये सही
should I
है।
go darker, are you comfortable with it, then I'll go darker.
Okay.
Then I'll start the liner, I won't wing it. I'm like do you like your liner here
And
or
then
should
you'll
I
go
wing
in
it?
with
So they're going
So
through the process
yes,
with
so
you.
I keep asking every step. So
So
उसमें क्या होता है कि before something is done and then it has to be redone, वो मौके ही
easy
नहीं
हो
आता
जाए।
because उसी process में if you make them a part of it, you know.
So is this something that you've been practicing since the very beginning?
I've always
or
done this. I
slowly?
work with the client. Even if I
Amazing.
want to experiment something on them, I do it slowly. Like अगर वो कहे मेरे ऊपर smoky eye suit नहीं करती and I'm like, okay, let me try. So I'll start with lighter shades and then I'll keep on adding and keep on
Adding
showing
depth,
them
कि ये
कि
है।
देखो सही लग रहा है सही लग रहा है. So if they're like yes, continue,
Then you do
तो फिर
it.
then I do it.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah.
I
And
think
if
we.
they're not happy, you'll just change up the look.
But वो उस point तक कभी जाता नहीं है where
नहीं,
they're not
नहीं।
happy because if you want to, if you don't like something, you stop me then, right?
Yeah, don't.
What I
stop.
don't like is like if you come with the mindset that this is the look I want, ठीक है? अब brides आती हैं कि this is exactly what I want in my makeup, and I'm like okay sure I'll do it, I do it whatever. I'll ask them 3 times, sure यही look है ठीक है whatever. Even then I work with the same process of asking them. Once the makeup is done, and they say कि oh my mom or my khala or my puppy said कि
My chachi doesn't like
इसको
it.
ये कर लो वो कर लो I'm like I'm sorry but
ये नहीं हो
you
सकता।
you came with the mindset you wanted, I gave you what you wanted, I'm not going to change it
And I
now.
mean, we
because
live
I
in
don't have time to
have
redo
your like
or
bride
add
lined up,
something.
yeah.
And we
Another
live
thing
in
I hate is like
2026 तो आपको पता होना चाहिए कि जिस चीज के साथ वॉक इन कर रहे हो ये आपके ऊपर कैसा
so
लगेगा.
either you have a prior discussion with your khandan wala because like the thing is ke everyone will have a different opinion.
हाँ, किसी को लाल
कि अगर
पसंद है,
बहन
किसी को
कह रही है
ब्राउन
न्यूड लिपस्टिक करो और खाला कह रही है लाल करो और वो कह रही है ब्लैक करो तो just come with a mindset, right?
किसी ने कभी ब्लैक करवाई?
Black नहीं example दे रहा हूँ like but people have gone towards like very deep maroon which they got themselves.
Okay.
Okay, listen, this is the lipstick I
ये
have
चाहिए।
and just use it ताकि मैं retouch करूँ.
Okay.
And it was like very like deep maroon,
आइए
like black. मैंने कहा, are you sure? She's like, मैंने कहा okay, but like trust me,
Like
I'll
gothic
do.
type.
But like let me mix it with my lipstick, you know.
100%.
But हमारे पास ये concept नहीं है. Like if you go like to other countries, उनके पास होता है ना like a trial run for their
No
bridal.
concept है.
Yeah.
The thing is कि यहाँ पे
No one's willing to pay
No one
for
wants
it.
to pay
people
for
don't
it.
want to pay
Because
for the.
trial के लिए proper you have to pay a certain amount of
Yes.
money and if you like it फिर आप आगे बढ़े तो हमारे में तो ये सीन नहीं है ना जो होना चाहिए. I
Which,
feel
what I tell people
अगर आप
is कि
particular है तो करेंगे.
what I tell people when they ask for a trial, I'm like book party makeup. If you have to go somewhere, just use that
करवा
as a
लो.
That's
trial
a great
makeup.
way to go about it. Yeah.
But
I also do that.
Yeah.
Okay, book a party makeup or book a.
But what I
soft
don't
makeup.
like is like what annoys me the most is like when there's someone standing on my head
वो तो किसी को नहीं समझ में
and
आता.
they are
doing the
like
work, yeah.
there and dictating. That's when I get annoyed and I'm like, listen, please, I respect you, but please go and sit there. You're really bothering me
But
right
ये
now.
normal practice होनी चाहिए पता है because when
नहीं है,
when an
यहाँ पे लोगों
artist
को
is
respect
doing their
नहीं है,
skill
you know.
set how can you stand on the head कि ये करो वो करो फिर आप खुद ही
So
घर में कर लो.
that's something that annoys me.
100%
They
like
have
you
to trust
should.
you for your
Yeah,
skills.
so that's when I get annoyed and I literally tell them off. I'm like, listen, you're not my teacher. I don't need you to tell me how to do makeup. Please go and sit there.
I'd be
You have an opinion. No, I'm like, if you have an opinion, you just tell me your opinion. Don't keep standing on my head.
Head and,
like
telling
I'm
me.
doing makeup and this person stands here and they're like, अच्छा इसको भी ऐसे कर. Don't tell me all
बाजी
these
आप ही
things.
कर लें.
You know, so like वो एक irritating हो जाता है. And I find it very like if you are doing an interview right
नहीं भाई
now.
मुझे करना ही नहीं है makeup.
Example
मुझे
दे
मेरे
रहा
अंदर
हूँ.
tolerance ही
I'm
नहीं
saying you
है.
are doing an interview right now and I keep telling you नहीं ऐसे नहीं बात करो वैसे बात करो ऐसे नहीं बात करो वैसे बात करो you know.
It
So वो
would
एक
be frustrating.
frustrating हो जाता है you know.
I have patience.
Or if I
yeah.
start telling Vedwell कि you know how to run your page. So it'll get annoying and
100%.
disrespectful.
I feel like when you're coming to an artist, you're coming to them for their skill
Yeah.
set.
Yeah,
तो
you have
उनकी
to trust
skill
their
के
skill.
set तो
Yeah,
करने
so
दो.
if you
फिर
are
आप
so
ना
much
बीच में.
skilled, then please take her
आप
home
खुद कर लें.
and then just do it, you know. Anyway, we went off topic right now, but what they need to do prior coming for an appointment, like tip-wise, I think Sarah can tell you better because she runs a salon also. So,
Yeah, I think I really believe that it's not just about कि शादी से एक दिन पहले 2 दिन पहले it's a process. जैसे ही आपकी शादी फिक्स हो उसके फ़ौरन बाद से आपने अपने तमाम चीज़ों का ख्याल रखना शुरू करना है. स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम योर स्किन, योर बॉडी, योर हेयर, योर स्लीपिंग पैटर्न्स.
काम
मैं कितनी
कर
भी
सकते
अच्छी
हो.
प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ कर लूँ, कितना भी अच्छा मेकअप आर्टिस्ट हो, आपका मेकअप फ्लॉलेस नहीं लग सकता अगर आपकी स्किन नहीं अच्छी. लेकिन फिर वही बात है, जीन्स बीच में आती है कि जी हमारे एक्ने इश्यूज़ हैं, उसका भी आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते. लेकिन थोड़ा बहुत ख्याल रखने से भी ना बहुत फ़र्क पड़ता है.
100%.
खुश रहने से, नींदें पूरी करने से,
Magnesium by glycinate.
have your vitamins on
Yes.
time. And designer like Hassan would tell कि बहुत सारी brides जो अपना weight lose भी कर रही होती हैं to fit into clothes.
100%.
तो वो भी healthy तरीके से अगर lose करें तो फिर हमारे साथ क्या होता है, हमारे पास bride आती है बिल्कुल
मुरझाई
कि
हुई.
मैंने तो अपना weight कम किया था to fit into clothes and now the dark circles in the skin is
everything is
really
popping
hydrated. So everything has to be balanced and should be a year-long process at least.
Okay.
शादी की
और किसी
तारीख
की अगर 3 महीने पहले
तो
डिसाइड
3
हो
महीने
जाए.
भी बहुत होते हैं,
3
लेकिन
महीने is a
लेकिन आप
lot,
ये नहीं
yeah.
कह सकते मैंने जी परसों फेशियल कराया है
नहीं,
जो पहली दफा यू कांट डू दैट.
बिकॉज अलीशा मेरी जिंदगी में तब नहीं थी तो मैं उन ब्राइड्स में थी जस्ट बाय द वे कि अपनी शादी से 3 दिन पहले आई गॉट अ फेशियल डन एंड आई हैड क्लियर स्किन. और मैं गई हूँ अपने मेकअप आर्टिस्ट के पास, उन्होंने कहा ओके
वाओ दैट्स परफेक्ट.
ओके वाओ ओके.
So we also sell these packages जिसमें हम 6 months का आपको प्लान बना के देते हैं
कि आपको ये
कि आप
करना
हमारे
चाहिए,
पास ही
करना
आए, हम आपको हर महीने ये सर्विसेज देंगे so that you look good when you come to us. If you're
Definitely.
booking us 6 months prior, even 3 months prior.
डेफिनेट.
And also, we have to like make sure to tell them not to touch their skin a month before their events because
100%.
बहुत सारे लोग आते हैं जो treatments कराते हैं, they're like booking their treatments a week before their wedding कि hydrofacial कराना
So
है,
do you
ये
take
कराना
such clients in?
We have a disclaimer now, तो हम सारे clients को बताते हैं कि if you have major events like weddings, to book your events well in advance because obviously you can break out. अगर कोई भी treatment है, your barrier can get damaged.
Yeah, true.
बहुत सारी चीजें हो सकती हैं. So we tell our brides कि 1 साल पहले, if not 1 साल, at least 6 months पहले start everything.
Everything,
And then
yeah.
1 month before, 4 हफ्ते पहले, don't touch your skin. You can
और
do like
एक
a
और
gentle
बहुत
facial.
इंपॉर्टेंट बात बिकॉज हसन भी यहाँ बैठे हैं, try your outfits before you come.
100%.
Yeah.
We see so many things happening. कभी जिप टूट जाती है, हम सी रहे हैं ब्राइड की जिप, ब्राइड को कपड़े टाइट हो गए, अब क्या
क्या
करें,
हाथ
अब वो
गए,
गए
क्या
हैं, फिर
करें?
वो ढीले होकर आएंगे, कभी शर्ट लंबी है तो कभी ट्राउजर ढीला है. तो आई थिंक ब्राइड्स के ट्रायल्स बार बार होने चाहिए. लेकिन
आई थिंक जो आपने पॉइंट कहा वो बहुत दुरुस्त था वेट के हवाले से.
जी.
सो यूजुअली अ ब्राइड इज ट्राइंग टू लूज वेट before her wedding and sometimes it's a very drastic change, right?
Are you
So
guys getting, sorry I'm cutting you off, are you guys getting Ozempic brides? That could be one of the reasons.
Yeah, I'm sure.
इससे shed हो रहा है,
Foreign
इससे
Yeah.
shed हो रहा है.
Yeah.
to each its own.
इससे आपको समझ आना चाहिए ऑलवेज लिसन टू द प्रोफेशनल्स भाई.
But it's, I'm sure
अपना
it's
दिमाग
harder to-
चलाए लेकिन थोड़ा सा टिट टैट कम दूसरों की भी
But
सुने.
is it harder to work with people who like lost a lot of weight, so their faces, like,
Obviously,
you know,
yeah. But the point here is कि जो भी situation हो गई है, you should come prepared. क्योंकि
Yeah.
सवाल यही था कि what should they do before the wedding day? Try your outfit, go to your designer. अगर आपने weight lose कर लिया है, तो कोई डिजाइनर का फॉल्ट नहीं होता क्योंकि उसने
Exactly,
अपनी
और वो
measurements
आते हैं डिजाइनर के ऊपर
आपने
you know,
नीचे
आपने
में
ऐसे
गलत
yeah,
सिलाया
usually
कि है.
you take the measurements
6
on
months
the
prior.
on the day they come.
Yeah.
Then after the embroidery is done and we're on to stitching, then you'll take one measurement and then you should take one final measurement as well for any tweaks and adjustments, right?
leave space in there.
Yeah.
Acha, I don't fully agree with what you guys are saying because I have had clients who have had 8 to 10 trials and their outfit is still not ready on the day. Brides have sat and cried in my chair. I have had a client who got her hair and makeup done and then she ran to the designer to pick her outfit herself.
That's insane.
And then I have had clients with so many fittings also, their outfit is always not stitched properly.
So actually that was one of our questions. So I think most people know when it comes to ordering outfits for weddings from Pakistani brands, it's a bad idea to reveal the actual wedding date. मतलब ना बताएं लोगों को ताकि delivery problem ना हो, because you're most likely going to not get your order on time.
Yeah.
So is it something that you
So
think
I'll
is
tell you something honestly, every designer knows that people give like prior
सबको
to
पता
their
है.
actually, everyone
पता है?
knows that the date is not the correct one. Like Hassan is a designer. I'm not targeting anyone, by the way, like no designer in
मैं कर सकती हूँ,
specific. But like I don't know how Hassan works, but I'm sure he also knows that every time every time a client says that this is my wedding date, they already know it's like 2 or 3 or 6 months after.
And I think it's a very valid concern because जैसे उमैर ने आपको बताया है कि there have been a multitude of incidents where clients have not received their outfits, or it's poorly stitched as he said, or they're rushing to pick up their outfits, and this problem arises because this is a very seasonal based industry, right?
Okay, 100%.
And what designers tend to do is that it's a problem of overcommitment and lack of delivery, right? So their production capacity can only take a certain number of orders, and to maximize their profits in this season is when you're taking too many orders and you can't fulfill them.
लेकिन वो
right?
गलत नहीं है,
It
because
is very
people are
wrong.
spending so much of money. मतलब
Of
आप
course.
कहकशां जा सकते हैं, आप गुल प्लाजा
Of
जा
course.
सकते हैं, ये कपड़े बनवा सकते हैं, but you're coming to a designer for first security, craftsmanship,
Time
the
management.
reputation,
Professionalism.
professionalism.
I think for any business, this is a matter of ethics and values of your business. and
जो
the
बहुत
people-
लोगों में नहीं है.
जो बहुत लोगों में नहीं है. That's exactly, and the worst thing is that on someone's big occasion, and we just spoke about how important this is, you build it up, it's a dream for a woman, and causing that sort of distress for someone is the most taxing on them, you know.
और काफी
So-
लोग टैक्स चार्ज भी नहीं करते तो कहते पेमेंट इन हैंड. I was one of those guys. 6 साल हो गए लेकिन फिर भी हर्ट करता है.
What happened? You did not get your outfit.
So with my wedding designer, she was like a family wedding designer, and उन्होंने शादी से एक दिन पहले डिलीवर किया था, और उसमें because it was a Sunday, so they're like कि नहीं जी बैंक पेमेंट नहीं होगी, ना ही चेक होगा, आपको in hand cash देना पड़ेगा. And on
Sunday.
that, literally, this was one of the most expensive designers in Pakistan back in the day. अब तो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह there's so many new emerging artists that are doing so well, लेकिन पहले 6 साल पहले काफ़ी वो थे जिनके पास लोग बहुत ज़्यादा जाते थे. So शादी से एक दिन पहले डिलीवर किया, and I kid you not, मेरी जो निकाह के डिज़ाइनर थे उसमें मैं तैयार हुई थी अराउंड 9 o'clock, and I got done with the event at 12 p.m. because daylight wedding था. जो वलीमा था that was a night time event, and मेरे literally tassels निकल रहे थे यहाँ से फटा हुआ था, and I was one of those brides, I lost
charging
weight.
an exorbitant
amount
amount.
of money. Yeah.
For
and
what?
then of this service, like मुझे ऐसा लगता है आधे वक्त जब मैं मेकअप भी कर रही होती हूँ ना, द ब्राइड इज कॉन्स्टेंटली ऑन द फोन, मेरा दुपट्टा नहीं आया, मेरा ये नहीं आया, मम्मी
so
को बुलाओ.
unfair,
इट इज द प्रोसेस बिकम सो टफ बिकॉज उमेर वुड अग्री कि हम लोग मोस्टली ब्राइड्स को ना सिर्फ काम डाउन कर रहे होते हैं, आ जाएगा हो जाएगा. लिटरली आई एम
a part
नॉट
of the
किडिंग, कुछ
job,
ब्राइड सैंपल पहन के भी गई हैं कि लास्ट मिनट उनको ये
I've
बताया
had a
गया,
bride who wore
लास्ट
a
मिनट उनको ये बताया
sample.
गया कि आप सैंपल पहन ले, वो फटा हुआ पुराना
Yeah.
सैंपल ब्राइड पहन के.
so
और
upsetting.
when she came for Walima, she said that she's saying that I have to return the sample and I have to buy the original
But
outfit.
my client who wore a sample piece of this designer got lucky because she was model size. But if she wasn't model
I
size,
was
then what would she
back
wear?
in the day, अब तो थोड़ा सा
nightmare.
6 साल हो गए,
Yeah.
but back in the day I think I was maximum 54 kgs,
Yeah.
54-55 kgs, so I was considered as model size.
Yeah.
So मेरा outfit imagine rip हुआ, लेकिन वो मुझ पे already loose था और वो फिर भी rip हुआ है. So that's something कि चलो tight हुआ हुआ आप ऐसे कर रहे हो तो आपका फट रहा है, बट अगर आपको ऑलरेडी इतना लूज हुआ है और वो फिर भी फट रहा है तो यहाँ
It's a matter of bad
पे
quality.
साइज नहीं मसला है, यहाँ पे आपकी
quality.
क्वालिटी प्रॉब्लम.
So I think the
So that's something you should have control over.
takeaway is that choose your designer wisely.
I also want to add one more thing. Every designer I've seen, like बड़े से बड़ा, छोटे से छोटा, यहाँ पे ना हमारे पाकिस्तान में ना काम बहुत खूबसूरत है, जो हैंड वर्क होता है,
बहुत प्यारा है.
बट सिर्फ बाहर से, अंदर से I think all the outfits that people wear, they need to have a protected cloth.
Same.
Because I have literally seen
Scratches
brides
होते
and I'm
हैं
like, what
body
happened
पे.
to your arms? And it's just
Like
she's like,
someone
out.
attacked them.
Dude, it's like किसी ने आपको like नोच लिया है
And
पूरा.
basically,
Like they
when
have
you're
so many bruises
when you're
and
going
everything.
for a shower after your event, the hot water
And
or
I'm
cold
like,
water
why,
burns
like,
you.
why can't they do a specific kind of lining inside जिससे आपकी skin ना कटे?
I mean, I think you should be a designer too. You've
But it's
excelled
just
it
like I
at
feel
makeup,
it's
being a
common
makeup
sense
artist.
के बाहर से
ऐसा
खूबसूरत
कपड़ा.
There's
outfit
always
है.
lining.
It should be
And
comfortable too.
I think what's most important, taking away from your point,
Yeah.
is that a lot of designers and a lot of clients actually
Yeah.
they're obsessed with having a lot of bhari kaam,
Yeah.
right? What's very important with a garment is its functionality,
True.
right? As you
100%.
said,
Yeah.
100%.
there's so many people with the same incidents, even friends of mine or family
Yeah.
members who've got clothes made from different designers where you'll see scratches and the outfit is uncomfortable or it's so heavy that you just can't move, There are these brides which look like mannequins. So I think what we pride ourselves on and the work that we've been doing for so many years is always that when there's so much embroidery, if you touch an Afrinish product, it's super light, right? All the threads at the back are all laser cut, right? So the finishing, that Umair's point, the best craft is the one which is as polished from the front as it is from the back, right?
Which honestly with
Functionality.
Afrinish I've experienced because my sister-in-law, she bought one of the shawls and it was a gorgeous, exquisite shawl. And when I wore it, heavy tha because काम of course हाथ से किया गया था, but honestly it looked so gorgeous. लाइनिंग भी अच्छी दी हुई थी and it felt like कि अगर आप सिंपल से सिंपल आउटफिट पहने और वो शॉल उसके ऊपर पहन लें, मतलब आउटफिट पे आपके
Brings it to
चार
life,
चांद लग
yeah.
सकता है. So I feel like craftsmanship इसी को कहते हैं.
What about the weight and practicality of the outfit, which also should be considered, because कभी होता है petite सी bride है, उसको
सब पहना
इतनी
दें.
बड़ी tail
But I think
जोड़े में-
that's Sarah. With that, I think it's the client's fault because they go with
but
like
designer
what
ये भी डाल दें,
Yeah.
वो भी डाल दें.
I'm
लेकिन
sure
कुछ
they
लोग
do.
डिजाइनर्स की नहीं सुनते
हाँ,
हैं.
because
उसमें
यहाँ पे
better लगता
कॉन्सेप्ट है मेरे पास भी आई हैं इतनी छोटी छोटी हाइट की लड़कियां and their outfit is like इतनी लंबी trail
Weighs more
train
than
है
them,
उसकी.
yeah.
And
and
Sorry,
then
I'm
they
cutting
can't
your-
stand
So
her.
what do you
Sorry,
do?
I'm cutting your point.
Weight
but
पूछते हैं पहले.
as you said, right, it's very important to guide your client,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
And as
वही मैं
Sarah-
कह रहा हूँ I
yeah.
think it's like more the client to be blamed for than the designer
और जैसे मैं
because
और तुम
designer
convince-
तो वही बनाएगा जो
But मैं
उनको
और तुम convince कर लेते हैं ना कि
हाँ.
ये lipstick ना लगाओ, तो why can't the designer convince the bride that you're petite, you are
Yeah.
5'3", you're
Yeah.
skinny, you can't carry a 85 kg of this outfit.
Most people
So,
want
but
that
I think
bhara
most
look.
designers,
but
they
is
do
it,
suggest.
selling also.
Right.
You're,
I think
you're pitching a wrong outfit to a client just to make more money.
I think that's very important. Like the general structure of everyone's anatomy is different,
That's so
right?
true, yeah.
Someone's neck is longer, someone's neck is shorter. The
And it's not
neckline will look different.
accentuating
Exactly
up,
right.
huh.
So and everyone's fit and body type, their skin color, everything is different, right? But the first thing before the silhouette, before the color, before anything, you always focus on the functionality of this,
और
right?
जब आपकी
Like you
मेमन
said,
माएँ आ जाती हैं और सिंधी माएँ आ जाती हैं, then I'm so sorry, 50 kg का आपको पहनना
मिसबा, but
पड़ता
I'll
है.
tell you, हम मेकअप करें, ब्राइड ने सिर्फ शर्ट पहनी होती है, ठीक है,
हाँ.
ज्वेलरी नहीं पहनी होती. So when I do the makeup, I was like, nah, you're good to go. She looks beautiful. As soon as she sits on the hairdo की chair, the jewelry is like so heavy.
It
She
overpowers
और
the
वो
whole
बोट
outfit.
नेक पहना हुआ है, तो मुझे ऐसा होता है डिजाइनर ने गाइड क्यों नहीं किया कि with this neckline you can't wear
Yeah.
this jewelry या
But-
with this
But I
दुपट्टा.
think
But-
उसका सबसे बड़ी चीज जो अभी जिस जनरेशन में हम लोग हैं ना, the times we are living in, I don't think कि शादियां जो है शादियों के लिए हो रही हैं आजकल.
yeah,
शादियां
I
हो
would,
रही हैं it's for the
देखिए,
show,
yeah.
it's for
हमेशा से
competition.
I don't think
नहीं, I
हमेशा
don't
से
think
है.
हमेशा से
I
है.
think- I
मैंने
think-
कहा
I
अभी
think-
जो times
yeah.
में रह
I
रहे हैं
don't
ना,
think
with
हमेशा
social
से है.
media and
हाँ,
everything.
100% जो आपके अम्मी अब्बा होते हैं
Yeah.
वो कहते हैं हम सबकी शादी में गए, सब आपकी शादी में
You know,
आएंगे. मतलब I know मैंने अपनी अम्मी से particular
No, I'm
conversation
talking
think-
about in a different way.
Yeah,
Like
I
why
think-
everyone
like
wants
more
to
like-
have like too much jewelry, the biggest
I think
outfit.
everyone is trying to impress
because
the room,
everyone just
you know?
wants
Yeah,
to show
100%.
off
Yeah.
कि किसकी
It's
शादी
more
ज़्यादा
about
बड़ी है.
yeah.
what people think than a partnership that you're gonna
Yeah.
have with your husband, and it's
that's
like
the last thing.
So
That's
that's
the
why if
last
you
thing
see,
that
I
happens.
don't even feel like most weddings I see is like genuinely they're
Yeah.
people are in
like,
love
Very-
with
very
each
few.
other.
yeah,
you
it's
know?
about like कि show मारना है कि oh my
And-
god social media पे लोग देखेंगे हमारे
लेकिन-
पास
लेकिन
कितना
इसको-
पैसा
अच्छा
है
ये
you
6
know?
साल पहले मैं कहूँगी मेरी शादी के टाइम था, लेकिन
इतना
इतना
नहीं था,
ज्यादा
अब ज्यादा हुआ है।
We both got married at this in I think in the
अब
same
ज्यादा
year.
हो गया, you know.
But you
no,
know,
the big
because
fat Indian weddings, the big fat Pakistani
been going
weddings
on
are,
for a while.
it's been going on for a while.
Yeah,
My
but
point
now
is,
I
everybody
don't
wants to be a part of
I
that.
disagree with that. If I would see any older photographs within my family or others, weddings were much more of an intimate affair,
Yeah.
right?
It was an
And
experience.
if you look at just mehendis,
But that's
there were
2 decades ago.
there were never choreographed dances or at this scale even, you know.
नहीं नहीं,
उस वक्त-
कोरियोग्राफी हमेशा होती
होती
थी,
थी।
and I'm not talking about
We were young, like,
the
you know,
dancing part.
getting all our
I'm
moves
mostly
ready.
talking about
The
just
overdecked
showing
brides,
off.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah,
everything.
But that's
like,
From
something-
like the
करें।
decor to like अगर दुल्हन की दोस्तें हैं तो वो भी bridal outfits में, because they know they'll be on social media.
अच्छा, do you agree with the fact कि जो जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल मेरी शादी हुई थी,
हाँ।
तो देयर वाज दिस फैमिली वेडिंग, तो मुझे बहुत लोगों ने बोला, इंक्लूडिंग मेरी सासू माँ, जिनको फिर भी अभी भी लगता है मैं नई ब्राइड हूँ, कहा बेटा जान आप अपनी शादी का जोड़ा पहने। मैंने कहा अम्मी जान ये बुरा लगेगा। एंड आई हैड वन मोर फ्रेंड जिसने कहा कि नहीं एक्चुअली मिसबा अपनी शादी का जोड़ा पहनो, बिकॉज मेरा शादी का जोड़ा इतना भरा हुआ नहीं था, मैंने सिर्फ अपनी मेमन अम्मी की दुपट्टे तक सनी थी। सो डू यू थिंक पीपल शुड रीयूज देयर वेडिंग
I think of course, but the thing
बस
is
थोड़ा
कि
change कर ले।
if your lehenga is very heavy or your dupatta is very heavy, you can still wear. I think यहाँ पे ना people have also forgotten the concept of mixing and matching. लोगों को लगता है कि अगर ये outfit मैंने ऐसा खरीदा है ना तो
तो यही
इसको ऐसे ही
पहनना
पहना जाएगा।
ऐसे ही है।
ओके
नहीं, आप लहंगा चेंज कर दो, उस लहंगे को प्लेन शर्ट के
Shirt
साथ
को
लाइक
use
लाइटर
कर लो,
काम के
कुछ
साथ
और
पहन लो,
pair कर लो।
दुपट्टे को आप प्लेन आउटफिट बना लो उसके साथ। There's so
So
much
like does
you can do, you
Afrinesh
know?
help you with
Yeah.
that? Like Afrinesh करता है कि अगर कोई आपके पास आपकी 2 साल पुरानी ब्राइड आए, बोले कि हम नहीं ये शर्ट ऐसी होनी चाहिए, आप दुपट्टा अलग बना दे, ट्राउजर
So
अलग बना दे, you guys do that?
we'll pair things with your older outfits. There are people who come with like their nani's heirloom or something, right?
Beautiful.
We won't necessarily stitch that outfit for you because we don't
Want to-
we don't take responsibility for
100%.
someone else's craft, but we will help you pair something, right?
Okay.
So that is something that we can do. And I think, as Umair was also saying, it's very good that people utilize their outfits afterwards.
Like usually people don't use their wedding outfits. वो कहते हैं हमने अपनी बेटियों के लिए और बहुओं के
मैंने भी
लिए
नहीं यूज किया।
बहुओं के लिए रखा हुआ है।
संभाल के।
बट आज के ज़माने में आई अंडरस्टैंड कि अपनी माँ का लहंगा पहन लेती हैं लड़कियां, लेकिन बहुत कम पहनती हैं। आपको नहीं पता कि फैशन क्या आएगा, व्हाट वुड दे वांट टू डू, व्हाई यू वेस्टिंग 20 years कीपिंग इट इन अ बॉक्स
Rather use it 100%.
But I
use
honestly
it.
wanted to use this platform to educate the viewers as much as possible. So since we're talking about the wedding process, I think कि हम तक आते आते मेकअप आर्टिस्ट तक आते आते ब्राइड का सारी चीजें ऑलरेडी डन हो चुकी होती है। We are the last
You know, last
destination
100%.
before her hitting the final event.
Yeah.
So I think it's kind of a little bit of responsibility of the designers to guide her properly. So she's the most comfortable bride in her attire. Then the designers and the jewelry people जो jewelry करे उनको भी ये दिमाग में रखना चाहिए कि किस तरह का जोड़ा है, किस तरह की नेकलाइन है, कौन सा सेट इस पे अच्छा लगेगा, झूमर हटा दें, टीका रहने दें, whatever. क्योंकि हम तक आते आते सब कुछ ऑलरेडी हो गया होता है।
True,
और
100%.
उसके बाद अगर डिजाइनर्स ये भी गाइड कर दें कि मेकअप जो कि बहुत सारे डिजाइनर्स करते हैं कहाँ से कराना ये तो जरूर करते हैं
हाँ,
क्योंकि
क्या
उनके
भी
फ्रेंड्स हैं, उनकी कम्युनिटी बनी हुई है, लाइक
और वो उनके कंफर्ट जोन भी
उनके
होता है।
कंफर्ट जोन है, तो दैट इज ऑल्सो गुड. बट अ ब्राइड नीड्स टू बी हेल्प्ड एंड should be given all the suggestions by the designers, by the jewelry people, and by the community like Wedwell.
So many times what has happened with me is कि मैंने last minute तो अपनी client की jewelry change करा दी है।
हाँ मैं करती हूँ कि प्लीज कुछ
So
और
I'm like,
है.
listen, is there anything else your
Yeah.
mother has or your sister has or like your दादी
But
नानी?
अभी
want
कुछ
your
दिन
bride
पहले
to look
tiara
good.
आ
Because
गया था
I'm like
fashion.
कि ये क्या है कि it's all silver and pastel color का outfit है and then your jewelry is वो
Golden.
पुरानी golden नहीं होती वो जो
चमकी
proper-
वाली नहीं 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 नहीं
I'm
See,
like-
heirloom,
हाँ, and I'm like, I get it, but ये कहीं और यूज कर सकती हो तुम, जरूरी नहीं है, मर नहीं रही हो, ये शादी के बाद मर नहीं जाओगे कि और कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं है आगे पहनने के लिए कहीं, you know?
Yeah, बिल्कुल।
अच्छा, मैं ऐसी क्लाइंट्स रेडी कर देता हूँ जिनके साथ I'm not okay with the kind of makeup they want, I'll still do it for them, but you will not see them anywhere close to my social media.
You give up what you want.
Like even when the photographers are tagging me, repost करने, I just don't touch.
I mean you have control over it.
Yeah.
आपने अपनी सर्विस
But
दी थी, उन्होंने
that,
आपकी
I don't know
service
if
ले
you
ली.
have that question. I also want to bring this up कि you know people think once they pay me, or I don't know how
They
सारा के
post
साथ
you?
भी होता
You
होगा,
post them?
वो ऐसे आपके ऊपर वो होते हैं कि why did you not post me?
Hi.
Really?
And I'm like, did I sign a contract with you
कि मैं
that
आपको
says
post
I have to
करूँगा?
write it? I have had a client who sent me a long message, loved my makeup and this, or itni tareef hai, and I still have that message. I never deleted it. And then kept sending me pictures and pictures, and I'm like, are you not getting the hint? I'm not
कि मैं नहीं
posting.
पोस्ट करूँगा आपको.
करती रही. Listen, why aren't you posting? Why aren't you posting? So
You just weren't
I'm
happy
like,
with your
listen, I just don't want to post. I don't post
Maybe
every
they want to
client.
get recognized on the page, which I don't think is
Again,
right.
वही ना कि उमर वकार से
उमर
रेडी हुआ तो
वकार,
उमर के
they
पेज
want
पे
to,
आना है. Maybe
But
I should
isn't
start
that something
charging
you
for
should be
that
proud
now.
of? Something you
You
could
know,
be
I'll be
proud
like, I'll
of?
charge extra for you to
stream
be
it
on my
on-
social
अच्छा जी
media.
हमारे ये charges हैं
No,
media
once I
kit
did
में
not
ही है.
post her. She went on this वो जो
Platforms?
platform बंद हो गया Facebook वाला. I don't want to
Full
name it. She went and she wrote a very bad review कि I liked my makeup but he did not offer me water or tea or coffee,
Food Panda that.
and I'm like, that's the first thing I ask my client when they enter. I'm like, would you like water, tea, coffee, anything to start your day with, or your evening or your afternoon with? So ये भी बहुत problem होती है.
तो
But
अब
public service industry is like
You
that.
kind
You
of
can't
have
make
to-
everyone
You
happy.
cannot.
Somebody will. कुछ
Yeah.
लोगों को लगेगा कि सारा ने आज smile क्यों नहीं की देख के. अब मैं
You could be having your own day.
and I am also
yeah.
having a hectic day, but I understand brides are super
It's
sensitive.
their main day. So
It's
they
their
want-
main
yeah.
day. So मैं तो कहती हूँ client is always right.
Yeah.
So अगर वो कुछ कह रहा है तो आप सुन लें और apologize ही कर सकते हैं सिर्फ. और जहाँ तक यही pictures वाली बात, मेरे पास हमारे साथ भी होता है कि आपने हमारी picture post नहीं की. तो I'm a little nice about that कि you know we don't post. We have so much content that हम सब कुछ post
Backlog
नहीं करते.
होता है, हाँ.
और वही वाली बात कि कुछ चीज़ आपने अपनी मर्जी से नहीं की होती. And no matter what, the makeup artist is to be blamed. लोग ये नहीं देखते कि ब्राइड ने
Bride का
कहा
क्या
होगा
preference
कि
है.
मेरा लाइनर जो है वो यहाँ तक लगा दें.
और
बहुत दफा
जून
ऐसा
जुलाई
होता
की
है.
वेडिंग में मेरा मेकअप क्यों मेल्ट हुआ? ओ बहन जी आप 3 बजे बैठ के बाहर आउटडोर शूट कर रहे हैं.
If I hate that, I also want to bring that up.
है कोई वाटरप्रूफ आप चीज नहीं करे, चाहे मैं जितना Chanel यूज कर लूं, Dior यूज कर लूं, L'Oreal कर लूं,
It has a
makeup
life.
won't stay if
Yeah.
you're doing an outdoor shoot. And I hate that.
Acha, I also don't. By the way, I don't work like if the client is always right, because I work in a way where I say the client is always right to a certain point, and then they're not. नहीं, and then they're not. ठीक है? जब तक अगर मेरे काम में कोई मसला है, तो you are right. But this I want to add to. I wanted to bring this up also. कि I have had clients who did an outdoor shoot in heat, like गंदी गर्मी में, and then called me saying कि मेरा makeup खराब हो गया, मेरे बाल खराब हो गया, I'm coming back, and I'm like, no, listen, it's not my problem. Do you not have your own brains to like not shoot outdoor?
To
It's
know
not
that this
my
has to
fault.
last you,
Yeah, but
yeah.
like अब तो खराब हो गया, मेरा पूरा foundation melt हो गया. I'm like, that's not my problem. फिर वो जो privilege act करते हैं ना, that's when I feel कि they are not.
Do you give them that advice that?
Of course.
Yeah.
I'm like, listen, why are you shooting 3 p.m.?
Yeah.
3 p.m. तो
you've done-
गंदी गर्मी में आउटडोर. मेरा वहाँ तक काम है जहाँ तक मैंने आपको मेकअप किया, तब तक आई फील कि द क्लाइंट इज, हाँ तब तक आई फील द क्लाइंट इज राइट. उसके बाद क्या हो रहा है, देन आई फील द क्लाइंट इज नॉट राइट, क्योंकि
They're liable.
you can't just call me and say कि free touch up कर दो. देखो the thing is कि with Sara it's easier because she's running a salon. तो अगर सारा, हाँ क्योंकि अगर सारा नहीं भी है तो सारा का असिस्टेंट है, this she has so much staff, they can do touch ups. For me, my studio is closed now. You have left and I'm done for the day. You know, I can carry on with my life.
Yeah.
I don't have assistants behind to do touch ups.
So that actually brings me to the next question. So we all know it's the age of social media, and it's very easy. कोई भी आराम से जाके online review लिख सकता है, and you know, especially a bad review. So have you guys had any experiences where a client has gone, you know, on to social media after an experience with you and just written something that was, you know, not something that you wanted to
I
have?
just mentioned this one incident of this bride who wanted me to post the picture and I did not, and then she wrote a bad review.
Did that affect you?
No, not really. It doesn't matter because you know I have had, if it's like 99.99% I have good clients, like satisfied.
तो 1%,
So
0.5%
0.01 doesn't
It
bother
shouldn't,
me.
yeah,
Yeah,
bother
it
you.
You
doesn't.
can't please everyone.
Yeah.
And you
Also,
try to
also these bad reviews, I believe, अगर इसको positively देखा जाए, they are kind of a wake-up call for you. You always learn through these mistakes because a lot of times you yourself are not are not very careful. Sometimes you कभी-कभी ऐसा होता है कि brides बिला वजह भी कभी-कभी होता है ना आपकी सर्विस में वो बात नहीं थी, आपकी भी गलती हो सकती है. So I always take it as a wake up call. I gather my team and I tell them that we have to be very careful. So these bad reviews should always help you. Any feedback is important.
It helps you grow.
बस मेरा ओपिनियन ये होता है कि आप पर्सनल कमेंट्स उन रिव्यूज में ना डालें.
Not done.
आप मेरे प्रोफेशनल तक जो मेरा
कि मेरा
प्रोफेशन
स्टाइल नहीं किया, ये
मेरे
नहीं
काम
किया.
तक रहे,
Doesn't
माय
matter.
फैमिली, हाउ आई ड्रेस अप, हाउ आई एम इन माय पर्सनल लाइफ. यू शुड नॉट टारगेट मी
Yeah, that's not something.
in that manner.
Yeah.
Be kind because we are kind to you, and be to the point.
And
Yeah.
do not threaten me with lawsuits. I make it very clear that advance is non-refundable. And I have had a client who was a lawyer, and she's like, उसकी शादी postpone हो गई थी, cancel हो गई. No, she booked me, and then she messaged me saying कि now I'm having a smaller wedding, so I don't think I want to book you anymore.
तो वो लॉयर कहाँ से थी?
So
कि
she said,
उसको
"Give
पता
me
भी
my
था कि
advance
practice क्या
back."
होती है?
I said, "Listen, you know the protocol. It's in the message, my confirmation message. It says advance is non-refundable." And then she's like, "I am a lawyer. I'm going to sue you." So
I'll
I'm
sue
like,
you back.
And I'm like, "Excuse me, I just want to make it clear. I was a law student, so I know how law works."
Oh, I did not know that.
So don't threaten me with these things.
Have you seen that viral video where bride is washing off her makeup at the end of her wedding day and says कि I just washed away X amount का makeup, which is X lakhs worth of makeup. A lot of makeup artists, they're charging in the lakhs. Like, you know, what would you say to people? Makeup ही तो है, and you'll wash it off at the end of the day. So what are your thoughts about that?
Why did you specifically use my name and not Sarah's?
Yeah,
in this
हमारा
question?
दोनों का दोनों यार.
This is for you, man.
Like this question is
I'll let
specifically for you.
Sarah
This is
answer
for you,
first.
Sarah.
Because he's charging more than me.
Is he?
Yes. So he should
For sure.
he should answer this question.
Okay, I'll answer for you. The first thing is कि when you message me asking for my prices, I'll give you this is what I charge, and then you have a choice to say no
100%.
or yes. So if you're saying yes and then you're coming and getting it done, then you have agreed on it, right? It's not like I forced you to book me.
कि मुझे ही book
क्या आप मुझे ही book करेंगे? I don't care. Spend the money. I don't do that. So you can't just complain कि इतना आपने करा लिया है makeup. So the thing is कि when people make these reels, other people should be smart enough to go and comment under that. Why did you agree to it?
बात ये है कि हर चीज़ की प्राइस एक साथ बढ़ती है, एक साथ कम होती है. अब टमाटर अगर 20 रुपए का है तो वो हर जगह 20 रुपए का है. वी हैव टू compete in the market,
Right.
and everything is now expensive. We have our overheads.
Yeah.
We are using the same makeup which we were using 5 years ago, the same brands which are triple the price now.
Yeah.
100%.
Because of the dollar.
Yes.
So you can't expect us to charge the same amount we were charging 5
Back in
years
the
ago.
day.
Yeah.
100%.
Also, me and Umair, we are competing with other makeup artists. Karachi and Lahore prices are way different.
So you're saying Lahore is more, right?
Lahore is like
100%.
double or triple to
Double,
what I
double,
charge.
double,
Yeah, I
double,
heard,
triple the-
I heard.
He's right,
Yeah.
triple the amount. So it's all about the service that is being offered at a certain price. We have to match those prices.
और आप वॉश ना करें, आप 4 दिन चला लें, आप पे डिपेंड करता है.
और एक और चीज़ है कि बिफोर जो मैं प्राइसेस चार्ज करता था तो मैं अपनी प्राइस के साथ जो टैक्स होता था वो अलग से चार्ज करता था बिकॉज एज अ मेकअप आर्टिस्ट आई एम सपोज टू पे सेल्स टैक्स
Yeah.
Right.
Okay.
So on every
Service
client, I
tax.
have to pay service tax basically. So now what I've done is कि पहले लोगों को क्या होता था कि ओ ये प्राइस है तो मैं टैक्स क्यों दूँ ये, तो अब मैंने एक अमाउंट बना दिया उसको
ताकि
स्पेसिफिक.
कोई बोले ही
So
नहीं.
now
Makes it
उसके अंदर
easier.
से I have to pay tax on every client I do.
Yeah, people don't understand taxes also.
Yeah.
That
मतलब
आपको
आप
taxes
चोरी
भी-
कर रहे हैं, हम नहीं
Yeah,
कर
आपको
रहे हैं.
taxes
So
और आप
yeah, so I'm
Government
doing
pay,
like
you have to do
service tax, and then on top of that, I'm doing my income tax also.
Okay, amazing.
Plus, it's
So-
not just the makeup amount that you're counting.
Yeah.
We have an entire team that's being hired, a space that we pay rent for, our products that come in, and their taxes. So, वही बात है कि हर चीज़ के
And then
पैसे
you have a brand name. Let's be very
True,
honest.
your skill set.
You do
100%.
charge for a brand name.
So now we're going to move to some of our community questions that some of the Wedwell followers have sent our way. We're going to try our best to answer all of them.
My in-laws gave me a budget of 15 lakhs for my Walima outfit, but the outfit I want is for 25 lakhs. Would it be okay to add the difference myself and get my dream outfit, or will they be offended?
Yeah, I think that really depends on what sort of in-laws you have.
Yeah.
But I think if someone's given you a budget, I'm sure they would. You know, one doesn't want to feel कि हमने इसको कम दे दिया. You know, and if you spend more than the budget that you've received, it makes someone feel bad about it, right?
कि हमने पूरा नहीं
हाँ, you know, so I feel like you can stick to your budget. और अगर शादी तोड़वानी है तो फिर ज़्यादा
करने
बहुत ज़्यादा
आओ।
चलो.
I actually had a bride who had this dilemma, and the outfit that she wanted was like 4 lakh rupees on top. So उसने डिजाइनर से बात की और उनको बोला कि मैं साइड पे दे दूंगी और आप बिल में ना रख देना. Because she wanted to wear what she wanted
That's
to
so
wear.
Right,
And I
right.
mean,
So
she didn't
that's
want to
one way.
offend the
She didn't
in-laws.
wanna
At the
offend
same
them.
time,
That
she
is
wanted
so
to be
sweet.
happy on
Yeah.
her main day.
Yeah, so she
it
just
does
added
make
the
sense.
4 lakhs and she's like, please उनको नहीं बताइएगा. और उन्होंने नहीं बताया. And I was like, okay, that works out. So
Right.
that's one way to go about it.
Yeah.
Umair, what do you have to say about this? And Sarah, what do you have to
I-
say about this?
So 15 lakh is also not a less amount for an
It's a
outfit.
great-
If that's what your in-laws are giving and you want something else, you can add to it
It's
from
from
them.
them,
Don't go
yeah.
around telling people
कि हाँ
"I added
मैंने
10
extra
lakh
दिया है
rupees,
वगैरह. That
1
looks
million
bad.
on top."
That's in bad taste.
Secondly, if their budget is 15, you get an outfit for 15 just out of respect for the house you're going to go into, because they'll also respect you in return.
Also,
that
guys,
way.
this 25 lakhs, 15 lakhs, this amount is just 1% of our city, max 2% of our country.
Yeah.
And we should, and I'm here to talk about the masses. So this exorbitant amount of money spent on a joda to me is already not justified. To each its own. If you have that amount, spend it. Good for you. बट आई थिंक अभी भी हमारे ट्रेंड्स वो हैं कि जहाँ इन लॉज जोड़े देते हैं और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि कोई भी रिलेशनशिप जब शुरू हो रहा है ना तो इट्स शुड बी अ वेरी बैलेंस्ड सिचुएशन. द इन लॉज शुड इक्वली कोऑपरेट विद द ब्राइड एंड
bride should
कीप
do
इन
it as well.
कंसिडरेशन कि उसकी क्या चॉइसेस हैं और फर्स्ट राइट तो उसी का होना चाहिए कि उसको क्या पहनना है.
एंड ऑनेस्टली पता है एक बात यहाँ पे है कि मेरे हिसाब से कुछ ब्राइड्स वो होती हैं जो ऑफ कोर्स एक शादी सोच समझ के एक फैमिली में करती हैं. वो उनकी बाउंड्रीज जानती हैं, उनके बजट्स जानती हैं कि नहीं यू नो व्हाट मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड के इन लॉज ने ये किया है, मेरे नहीं कर सकते.
That's what I'm trying to tell
तो
Misbah, that
competition नहीं
initially
होना
आपको
चाहिए.
थोड़ा बहुत जब आप रिलेशन कॉम्प्रोमाइज में नहीं कहूंगी बट बी नाइस टू लाइक यू कैन नाइसली पुट अक्रॉस योर पॉइंट दैट आई वांट टू वेयर दिस
I think it's a matter of respect.
एग्जैक्टली
That is the
yeah.
most essential thing,
True.
and starting any relationship, as you said.
Yeah.
But you know,
anything should be,
I've
should
had-
be respectful. You know.
I know girls in our society only,
Yeah.
people you know also, and I know, and like we know,
Yeah.
who have called their weddings off
Oh, that's true.
just because they wanted a certain outfit, and the mother-in-law said, "Okay, this is not my budget for the outfit."
Yeah.
बट ये गलत नहीं है.
So this is like it, but then that's where greed comes, right?
Yeah.
Okay, oh, I'm marrying into a they don't see like
Everything going
what
behind
they
it.
have, what would they have in the future. You just see कि अब क्योंकि उन्होंने अनाउंस कर दिया होता है ना पहले से, oh my
सबको
god
कि
मैं
मैं
ये
ये
आउटफिट
पहनूंगी,
पहनने
ये
वाली
मैं
हूँ, you know.
पहनूंगी.
मेरा तो इतना महंगा आउटफिट है. So I think it's also about competition again, what we were talking about
Yeah, I think
earlier.
it's
It
not
has
if
become
it's
really
if it's
Yeah.
that petty, then I
It's
don't
not
think
worth
that,
it.
Yeah.
that
It's worth
this
it.
It's your
marriage will
wedding.
last very
Yeah.
long anyways.
Yeah, 100%.
Hassan has given his word.
He's seen it all.
Yeah.
The first
मतलब है
wedding, the
कि
second wedding.
You should do things which
Yeah.
come in your boundaries. Please
Yeah.
stop giving so much of stress to your in-laws, your husband. अगर आप अपने अब्बा को इतना स्ट्रेस दे रहे हैं, यहाँ पे बेचारे ब्राइड्स के अब्बा अपनी गाड़ियाँ बेच रहे हैं, अपने घरों को रेंट आउट कर रहे हैं, क्या क्या नहीं कर रहे, just to fulfill their daughter's dreams.
You know
So
the-
एक शादी को इतना वो ना
Sometimes it's not
बनाएं.
even the daughter.
But you know the
Sometimes
funny
the
thing
daughter
is,
doesn't care, but they have to please so many
you know
people.
the funny thing is, I know someone, but like I'm not very close to, but like very friendly with, and she came up with this issue to me, and I'm like, how much is your hak meher? And she said 50 lakh rupees. So I said, why don't you tell your in-laws to give, why don't you make your hak meher 40 lakhs, like 4 million, and then add that 1 million into your outfit.
So did she do that?
So
What
but
a
that-
suggestion.
Yeah. So I'm like,
What a negotiator, I would say.
Like
यहाँ से भी तो यहाँ से ले लो.
yeah, because then you're
crazy
not
to look.
upsetting the other person, because I feel you cannot force someone to pay
Exactly.
you a certain amount.
Yeah.
मुझे प्रॉब्लम
I
ये है
think
कि ये सारे
ज़्यादा transactional हो
हसन
गया.
मेरा प्रॉब्लम ये सारे मसले दूल्हों के साथ क्यों नहीं होते? Why always?
पहली बात है, दूल्हा जो है ना
आना होता है.
15 लाख का जोड़ा नहीं पहन रहा होता है.
Yeah.
Let's be very
हाँ,
honest.
मेरे
ठीक है,
वाले
पर
को
A
दूल्हा
groom's outfit is never.
अच्छा.
And I'll tell
दिलाई
you.
दे.
Flew all the way to
No, I
Lahore
know
for
this
that.
why also. I'll tell you. A lot of my brides, like Sarah said, I charge more than her. A lot of my brides are Walima brides. And I ask every bride, I'm like, why did you pick Walima? Is it because you think I cannot do traditional? And half of the people say, I feel you do modern makeup better, which is a myth. It's not correct. I do traditional really good. but half of them they tell me, you know what? Okay, because you charge more, wanted my in-law.
Put it on my in-laws.
Yes. So that's why I know
It's the other
these
way
things.
around.
Isn't that weird?
It's the other way around.
Isn't
So
that
they'll
weird?
go to a makeup artist who's charging 75,000.
Oh my God, you're
But
pointing
then-
it to me.
Then for the walima they'll come to me. I charge like chalo maybe like
अच्छा, मेरे
more
साथ
than
उल्टा होता है।
अच्छा यार, मैं
75.
ऑनेस्टली ऑपोजिट करना चाहती थी कि
Yeah.
मैं अपने हस्बैंड या
You want
फैमिली
to
को
put
वो
that
प्रेशर नहीं
pressure?
डालना
Yeah.
चाहती
Yeah,
थी
yeah, yeah, yeah.
कि you know
But
what,
this is true, and this is something the clients have told me themselves. you
And
know.
I
What a
get
respectful
brides
bride.
from
You
all
have
all
to,
walks
of
of
course,
life, like
yeah.
from the
Do you
the
marry for
from
money?
every part of
Yeah.
the city.
Yeah.
And there
If
are
you've seen
s-
money
If,
all
if one is
sweet
so
girls
if one
who
is so
literally,
calculated, you know,
पैसे जमा
that's a
करके
tough.
they book
Yeah.
their
life now you don't do shit like
पैसे जमा करके they book their makeup artist, पैसे जमा करके they go for their jodas. So
Yeah.
this is
a
not
dream,
just
yeah.
about, as we're not discussing the only fat Pakistani weddings. It's about all the
All
brides
weddings.
जिनका ये big day होता है. तो ये छोटी छोटी चीजें मैं अक्सर ब्राइड्स को कहते देखिए मेरा टीका मेरे सेट से मैच नहीं करा. मैंने कहा मेरी जान be happy ना. Nobody will remember these minutest details. Brides अपना मूड छोटी छोटी सी बात पे खराब कर रही होती हैं कि देखिए मेरी पिक्चर इसने पहले से लेके किसी को भेज दी. That's fine. Enjoy.
not cool.
Yeah, मैं
Yeah,
मिसाल
actually.
दे रही हूँ. एक enjoy your day. The minute अब जो हो गया सो हो गया.
गया, right.
क्या
You know?
करेंगे आप?
क्या
बोलते
करेंगे
रहेंगे
आप?
मेरा
क्या?
मेकअप खराब करेंगे जिसका आपने इतने पैसे दिए हैं.
नहीं नहीं.
My wedding got cancelled a month before it was supposed to happen. I've paid deposits for my bridal outfits and venue and makeup and more. The brands won't return my deposits back. What should I do?
Okay, so for us, we have a policy that if your wedding is being delayed or cancelled or postponed, so you would not get your advance back. But since we offer a lot of other services
आप
at
वो
the
आके करवा
salon,
लें.
तो आप वो एक साल का आपके पास टाइम होता है और वो सिर्फ आप नहीं आपके कोई फैमिली मेंबर भी करा सकते
That's
हैं.
amazing.
I'm not
That's
sure,
so
but yeah, I think that's the policy, and you can get your facial done. We offer laser, we offer a lot of services. So we adjust the amount in those services.
हम
And I
भी
agree that's a
यही
good thing.
कहते हैं कि if you've paid in advance and if there is any cancellation, the first thing is कि if you're going to reschedule the event to a later date, we'll adjust it in the amount for whenever your wedding date gets finalized, or you just get store credit so you can purchase
And if the
anything.
joda is made already,
If the joda is made already, then you can't do anything. you know?
then she has to pay
Because
the-
Yeah, then you
आपके
can't do
टाइम
anything.
जो आपको दिया गया है उसमें हम किसी और का ऑर्डर ले सकते थे. So you can't get compensated
अच्छा
for
ऐसा
that.
हुआ है कभी कि जोड़ा बन गया और किसी ने पिक नहीं किया, एडवांस दे दिया लेकिन बैलेंस नहीं दिया.
नहीं
नहीं,
ऐसा
लोग
हमारे
इतने पैसे नहीं-
ऐसा हमारे
पैसे नहीं
साथ कभी
करते.
नहीं हुआ, you know?
अब हमें भी
I-
पाकिस्तान की इकोनॉमी में
I think
रहते हैं.
usually our clients have been very good. We've never had that sort of issue where you're chasing a client up to make a payment. And I think
Yeah.
because the brand has such a legacy as well,
Yeah, mashallah.
all our clients are like family to us, you
That's
know.
so sweet.
So I think a lot of clients have even seen me and my brother grow up, you know, throughout our lives. So it's a very nice relationship, and we try and maintain that culture for someone who new who's coming in as well, you know.
And looking at some particular situations, we have returned the money. Like if we feel that the bride is really you know in trouble and she's like not in the position to let her money be with us, so we have returned the money. Like during COVID issues, that was something that was not in our hand. We did not know when the halls will be open, when the venues will be open, so we
100%.
returned all the advances during COVID
And that's very
times.
nice because a lot
Yeah.
of people, you know, they didn't कि भाई COVID एक disaster है,
हाँ.
हमें किसी ने लिखा हुआ
Everybody.
नहीं
But
है.
then
Yeah.
you have to
The
realize
client
also
like you.
जिसने advance लिया है, he's also not.
He's
or-
being affected.
He's also
also.
going through this.
We
So
were
if they have-
affected
But I
this
think,
time.
you know,
Or
I
only
think,
source of
I
income
think
was
these,
the advance at that time.
I
you
think,
know?
like, you know,
Which I work very differently in this situation. Yes, if you cancel an event, I do change your date with the fee on top, like a date change fee, and your advance is non-refundable, but it is reusable. But if you're canceling last minute, then you cannot.
Because you
reuse.
could have taken another bride in that.
I could have taken another bride क्योंकि
You
क्योंकि
just
अगर उस दिन
wasted my
अगर मेरी
slot.
सिर्फ एक ही client है, so I'm not picking up any shoots that day. That means कि आपने prior मुझे book किया
You're
हुआ है.
locked in, yeah.
Again, I'll repeat, I'm not running a salon.
Yeah, he's a different model.
where
I think
like-
this
where
depends
मुझे
on
कोई
the.
loss नहीं हो रहा है.
Guys,
It-
this is a one-man show.
Yeah.
Please
Yeah.
respect that.
Yeah,
I
true.
think these
So,
sorts of things.
and I
depend
have
on
had
the scale
clients
of
who
your
That's
I'm
true.
sending a message to, okay, listen, what time do you want to be ready? Your appointment is in 1 week, your appointment is in 10 days, no reply, no reply. And on the day of the event or one
Yeah,
day
do that,
before,
yeah.
they're like, oh, by the way, sorry, I didn't get a chance to reply. My wedding is called off. So now I'll tell you when the next date is, and I'm like, no, you cannot. You literally wasted my day.
It's
Yeah.
your business.
You
Because
could have-
like
you could have
last
taken
minute
advance.
you cannot find
A
Work.
bride.
like
Yeah.
Business.
business basically.
Yeah.
True,
100%,
that's true.
100%.
So each model, business model is different.
Very
you know.
different.
And studio and a salon is a completely
Yeah.
different model.
100%.
So and we offer a lot of other services too. We can
तो आप
compensate.
उसमें
Easier to
compensate कर
Yeah,
सकते हो.
exactly.
Makes
बहुत
sense.
बार हो चुका है कि where like you know I was offered a shoot and I have a client, so I had to say no to that shoot.
And it, many
Sorry,
times this
yeah.
has happened to me as well कि you know I take a brand in and because I don't live here, I live in
Yeah.
Dubai, तो वो एक टाइम होता है कि I like you know being particular
Yeah.
ये एक घंटा इस ब्रांड के लिए, दूसरा घंटा इसके
Dedicated
लिए,
है.
and then they don't send outfits. तो अगर आप outfit नहीं भेज रहे हैं ये मेरी गलती है because like I've designated a timeline
Yeah.
for you. If you don't respect that, I can't respect the fact that you paid me.
Yeah.
मतलब समझ नहीं आता. Apart from all the yapping, I think we're running out of time, so we have some time for one more community question from Wedwell. Let's see what it is.
I'm 44 and getting married. I met the love of my life when I was 43. My parents want me to have a small wedding because it's my second marriage, but I want to have a big celebration because I finally found my person. How can I convince them?
Yeah, I think it depends on your relationship with your parents.
Parents, for
But at the
sure.
end of the day, like it's super important that you are satisfied, right? And your parents should understand that. And having that relationship and understanding with your parents, I think, is developed very early on in life. And I think some parents have a very different approach to how their children think. But I think everyone comes down, to a certain agreement. So it's very important कि आप वो करें अपने बड़े दिन पे जो आप चाहती हैं. You
But
know?
at the same time, keep your family happy with it as well because दुआएं, blessings. I feel like कि आप बात करके एक middle ground पे तो आ ही
कर
सकते
सकते
हैं.
वही
Acha,
बात.
in my opinion, the last few years have been so amazing in terms of our social media and all our celebs. Myra Khan is a huge example. She had a beautiful wedding. I think she was in her late 30s, early 40s. I'm not sure about her age. So I think these examples
And
have.
it was celebrated beautifully.
It was yeah, it was really nice, and in my opinion, there's no age to get married. We have examples all around the world. The Bollywood celebs have all gotten married at a
Yeah.
very late age. Katrina Kaif, Deepika Padukone, they are mothers in their 40s. So I think अपने parents को examples दें और wed well soon.
And also, you're 44. Fund your wedding and just do it. you
Yeah,
know?
even if you're 60, you know,
Yeah, do
there's
it.
you have it's the best time in my opinion.
Yeah.
करें.
क्योंकि यार मैं तो मेमन हूँ, मैं तो कहती हूँ फंड कर लें अपनी शादी, फिर कंट्रोल भी आपके हाथ में होगा, पप्पा चाची वाची का सोचना नहीं पड़ेगा.
I think you have to see a lot of factors in this situation because a lot of our parents come from a generation that is not very open-minded. Firstly, for a lot of families, being divorced is a very big thing.
Taboo. Yeah.
And I mean, I'm not saying कि only divorce is the reason of your second marriage, but it is one of the reasons. And for them, it's very embarrassing कि दूसरी शादी हो रही है किसी की, वो मेरे बच्चे की दूसरी शादी हो रही है.
Though it shouldn't be like that.
Yeah.
But,
Another
you know.
thing is कि I feel by the age of 42, 43, you should already be so well settled
Agreed.
in life where you don't have to really
Depend on your.
depend on people. You can do what you want, but it's mostly those people who are still dependent on their families. So they need permission from their parents. क्योंकि I think parents also यही कहते हैं कि देखो तुम्हें जो करना है करो, but अपनी जेब से करो. If you want our support
तो आप
financially,
हमारी
our
सुने.
then please you have to listen to us also.
100%.
ठीक है. Secondly, you also have. Thirdly, sorry, you have to see कि the other person you are marrying is it their first wedding or second wedding or what? Because if it's their first wedding, also they also have some dreams, right?
100%.
So then you have to convince your parents in a way कि listen, उसकी पहली शादी है. My husband to be wants this wedding to be a certain way, or his family wants
And
the
it can be
wedding.
the other way around too.
Exactly. And fourthly, I also feel कि कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं जिनको बहुत शौक है शादियाँ करने का, तीसरी शादी, उनकी इतनी माशाल्लाह शादियाँ डिवोर्स के कि आप बड़ी शादी भी करो ना तो लाइक पेरेंट्स को भी पता होता है कि अब कोई नहीं आता तुम्हारी शादी पे लाइक बहुत पूरे खानदान वाले भी तंग आ गए हैं
अच्छा, और in my opinion बड़ी शादी is very subjective.
people will not come and give
कितनी
another
बड़ी
lifafa
शादी?
to you, you know.
बड़ी शादी का कोई वो नहीं है कि इतनी बड़ी कि उससे ज्यादा बड़ी कि how much, so it depends on your budget, yeah, and where you come from. And I think even though I come from this business, I still believe that now we're facing very hard times these days, and it's the inflation is
we should be mindful.
So bad.
Yeah, exactly. So we should be very mindful. आप वहाँ इन्वेस्ट करें जहाँ आपको दिली खुशी मिले. दूसरों को खुश करने के लिए जो स्पेंड हो रहा है वो ना करें, वो अवॉइड करें. जिस चीज से आपको खुद को खुशी मिल रही है अपनी शादी में उन्हीं चीजों पे स्पेंड करें. जैसे
अगर खुद की खुशी बोल रही हो,
जोड़ा,
मेकअप जोड़ा,
जैसे मेकअप, खाना ऑब्वियसली आप दो लोगों के लिए कर रहे होते हैं, लेकिन अगर आप 2-3 डिशेस भी कर लें, वेन्यू छोटा सा भी कर लें, लेकिन आप खुद अच्छे लगे, सो दैट दिस मेमोरी विल स्टे विद यू ऑल योर लाइफ. ना कि वो 12,000 गेस्ट जो आपने बुला लिए वो आपकी मेमोरीज का पार्ट कभी नहीं रहेंगे. आपका जोड़ा.
अच्छा, मेरे मेमन पापा ने कहा था बेटा सब डेकोरेशन और तुम्हारे बाहर के रोजेस भूल जाएंगे, खाइन जो कोई नहीं भूले, मतलब खाना कोई नहीं भूले.
But I also feel
And a
at
lot
the
of
end of
us
the
still talked
day,
about the food at my
end of
wedding.
the
But
day,
you know,
it's
I
your-
think
it's your
more
decision
than
when you
the
are-
food and stuff, especially when they're closer family weddings, you always remember the moments with your cousins,
That's
your
so
family,
true.
Yeah.
your loved ones, your close friends. End में वही रहता
बट
है.
हसन मुझे आज
But
तक अपना
देखो-
जोड़ा याद है.
but guys
याद आपकी मेमोरीज में ये रह जाता है
Yeah.
कि मैं कैसी लगी थी. एंड पीपल ऑलवेज
No.
व्हेन दे मीट यू दे ऑलवेज से कि यू नो यू लुक द बेस्ट ऑन योर, बट दे डोंट से कि यू नो वी हैड द
कढ़ाई बहुत अच्छी
कढ़ाई.
थी.
दे रिमेंबर
No,
यू एज अ
I
ब्राइड.
think
Yeah,
I oppose to that. I think
तुम्हें खाना खाना है.
No, one thing that people remember forever is कि खाना कितना अच्छा था.
Exactly,
शादी पे.
मेमन पापा
ठीक है,
जरा
No,
मैं
people
वही कह रही
always
हूँ,
remember
या तो
the
आप लोगों को
food.
खुश करने के लिए स्पेंड करते हैं, या
अच्छा,
आप
what
अपने आप को
I
खुश करने
think
के लिए
it's they
spend करते हैं.
remember the food, the joda, the memories, and a little bit of it all.
But who's doing
क्योंकि
it for the
decoration
people?
Yeah, yeah.
It should
And
be
my
for
point is
you,
spend for your
yeah.
own self, not to.
देखो क्योंकि
चाहिए.
डेकोर हमेशा बेहतर होता रहेगा.
मेरा decor तो मुझ पे घिर गया था.
जोड़े और फैंसी होते रहेंगे, लोगों की ज्वेलरी और भारी होती रहेगी.
तो कहाँ खर्च करें?
बट खाना लोग हर कोई अच्छा नहीं खिला सकता.
सही बात है.
ठीक
Food
है.
is something
यार मेरे
कि
ख्याल से
शादी
वहाँ
में-
खर्च करो
शादी-
जहाँ आप खुश हो,
हाँ,
मजे
but
करो,
anyway,
अपनी
again,
शादी
खाना
एंजॉय करो.
खाने पे
शादियों का खाना बहुत वेस्ट होता है. I'm so sorry to say.
Guys, anyway,
I
coming
think
back on
बहुत
topic-
सारे मुख्तलिफ ओपिनियंस
हाँ.
हैं. बस अपनी शादी एंजॉय करें,
अपने तरीके
अच्छे से
से करें.
जिए, अच्छे कपड़े पहने, जो करना है आप खुद कर लें.
और तस्वीरें खराब होंगी अगर आप रोएंगे तो ना
But
करें.
also, guys, I feel coming back on topic, parents will never have an issue with you having whatever wedding you want if you
As
are
long as
the
you're
one
happy.
Spending, that's
and
so
not
true.
Fund it yourself,
forcing your
yeah.
parents to spend
And not
in
putting
your
them
way
through, yeah.
because then they'll have
You have more.
you
control,
have to
yeah.
take their
That's so
opinion
true.
on
That's
that.
that's such
And
a
I
valid
feel like
Yeah.
taking their opinion gives them that idea that I'm
Yeah.
involved.
Yeah.
So why
People
not make your
involved.
parents
I'm so
happy
proud of
about
the
this?
girls who do it all themselves.
Yeah.
I
No, no,
think
100%,
parents are
100%.
not to be
Yeah.
pushed,
And it's
not
so
to be.
much pressure.
Umair has such a valid point. I think
Yeah.
parents की शक्लें मैं देखती हूँ honestly जब वो
बुरा हाल
बेटियों के
होता
साथ
है.
आते हैं कि वो यूँ होते अम्मा ने बैग हाथ में लिया होता है बेटी सही है. तो I think that's the time you can financial independence. It
बहुत matter
comes
करती है.
here especially financial independence of a girl of a guy before they both decide to get married is so important. Do
और ये
whatever you want to do
conversation
with
क्यों
your own
नहीं
money.
करनी है?
Yeah, and you're more stronger as a person when
That's
you have
so
that
true,
financial
and that
backing.
those weddings are the best.
Best.
And that's where I feel the guy and the girl they have to come together
Together.
and have a conversation.
Be on the same page.
बस शादी से
And
2
like,
दिन पहले बात
ठीक है,
ना करें,
and if
लड़ाई
it's
होगी.
like the girl wants
आपने
it,
की थी.
नहीं
guy
नहीं की
can-
थी भाई, शादी से 2 दिन पहले नहीं बात की थी.
I literally,
हम दोनों
I
गुस्से
literally
वाले
spent
थे.
every single penny like on my wedding myself.
Yeah.
Both my sisters spent their own money on their
That's
wedding,
amazing.
and we were not bothered. वो खुद ही check काट के उसने दिया, and she had a great wedding, and we were so proud of her that she saved all this time, and my parents came like guests.
but एक और चीज
Yeah,
guys I
I
want
was
to
so happy.
I
They
also
didn't-
want to say one more point in this, just to defend the girl a bit, because I've seen stories like these where the girl, the bride to be, knows how her in-laws are and how they will judge the wedding and the decor and the food and the outfit and the jewelry.
Let them.
So they have to. She knows that she has
That's
to
a pattern
please
for
them.
life, though.
Yes.
Exactly.
And we
One-
have seen
यहाँ
this
पे where I
happening
come
so
with,
many
where I
times.
come with one thing.
Yeah.
कभी नहीं खत्म होगा.
Yeah.
Where I come with one thing कि बाउंड्री अगर शादी से पहले चीजों की सेट हो जाती है ना,
Exactly.
तो वो आगे जाके कोई आपको बदतमीज नहीं कहता,
Yeah.
क्योंकि आप उनको पता होता है ये इस बंदे की इंडिविजुअलिटी
और
है,
इस बार आपने ये कह दिया, ये हो सकता है मेरे घर वाले ये
ये नहीं कर
सकते हैं, ये
सकते,
नहीं करेंगे.
आपको नहीं मिलने वाली है गाड़ी।
वो नहीं, मुझे नहीं लगता पाकिस्तान में इतना कुछ होता है, लेकिन पैटर्न सेट हो जाता है ना कि बेटा हम चाहते हैं आपका वेन्यू ये हो, नहीं ये वेन्यू नहीं हो सकता,
सकता,
because we
आपका
can't
ये
afford
होगा.
it. We will invite you at this particular wedding because I can afford this. So this pattern goes on for life. The minute you start pleasing
Giving
anyone,
in, nahi.
be it your husband, be it your boss, whoever, it goes on for life.
For life till you
So,
step out.
so in my opinion, be vocal, but
100%.
nicely, but nicely. But
अच्छा ये भी मुझे
तमीज़
माय सिस्टर टॉट मी दिस कि बिकॉज गुस्से वाली मैं तेज हूँ, लाइक हर चीज बोलो प्यार
प्यार
से
से,
बोलो,
प्यार से, हाँ.
क्योंकि फिर लोग आपकी टोन पकड़ते हैं
चीज़ बोलो.
और वो आपका पॉइंट नहीं समझते हैं.
Just I remember, just like I'm just telling you guys as a joke, कि like you know when my family asks like relatives कि शादी कब कर रहे हो, शादी कब कर रहे हो, I'm like देखें, जब तक मेरे पास इतना पैसा ना हो कि मैं दुआ लिपा को अपनी शादी पे बुला सकूं, मैं तब तक शादी नहीं करूंगा.
अब वो सबसे बड़ी शादी कभी नहीं कर रहे.
Can I come to your wedding?
Just see Dua Lipa.
Can I come to your wedding?
But I always say कि जब तक मेरे पास ना हो, you know,
Yeah, true.
कि मैं शादी नहीं करूंगा. So let me make this much money where I can
Inshallah.
get her
Inshallah,
on my
inshallah.
wedding.
That's
you know?
that's so nice.
Inshallah,
Yeah.
100%.
That
That's a
is
very
my
nice
dream,
thought.
right?
Yeah.
That's a very nice thought.
It's just like I say it as a joke, also just to get them
Yeah,
off my
yeah.
back.
So guys, I think that's all the time we have for today. Thank you guys so much for being here. It's been super enlightening. I hope you guys enjoyed this season of Desi Wedding Tales podcast. If there's anything you guys want us to add to the next season, please let us know below.